Welcome to this instructional video on how to use Corporate Gray Online for job seekers. To create a free job seeker account on Corporate Gray Online, go to www.corporategray.com and on the home page, click the Create a Free Account button. Complete the form. Anything with a red asterisk is a required field, so make sure you fill those out completely. You'll have a visibility preference of searchable or non-searchable. If you'd like to keep your account completely private and not come up in a recruiter search, then you'll select not searchable. If you want to come up in recruiter searches and be found on Corporate Gray Online, then leave it as searchable account. At the bottom, you'll be asked to create a username. This could be your email address. You'll also be asked to create a password. We recommend your password be at least 8 characters in length with at least 1 capital letter and 1 number. Then click the blue Submit button. Once you've submitted your Corporate Gray Online account, you'll receive an email from do-not-reply@corporategray.com with the subject, please activate your account. You must click the validation link that's in that email in order to activate your Corporate Gray Online account. Then you can go to the Corporate Gray homepage again and click the Login button and log in with your new account. To upload your resume or cover letter to your Corporate Gray Online account, click the Login button in the upper right corner, enter your username and password, and click the Login Now button. Then in the menu bar, click on My Resume. And here you'll see the Upload Cover Letter and Upload Resume buttons. Click either of those and it will open a pop-up box to let you browse on your computer to either your cover letter file or your resume file. Select the file and click Open. Your resume and cover letter files can be in Microsoft Word format, a PDF, or a text file. Then click the Save button, and now your document will be aligned with your account. You have information on this page that shows you what cover letter and what resume file you've uploaded to your account. And here it shows you what date you updated your resume. If you want to check the file that you have aligned with your account, you can click Download Cover Letter or the Download Resume. To search for jobs on Corporate Gray Online, click Find Jobs in the menu bar. Over to the right, you'll see the search filters you can use to search jobs. You can search by keyword, entering one keyword, for example, Java, or multiple keywords using and or, for example, Java and programmer. Make sure the and or the or is all in capital letters. You can also search using quotes if you want to search on a string, for example, program manager in quotes. You can search by occupation, selecting one of these from the list, or search by company name. Enter a partial or full company name here. You can also search by state where the job is located. If you want to select multiple states, hold the Control key down as you click on the states in the list. If you want to deselect the states, also hold the Control key down. If you don't select any state, it will search on all states. You can also search by education level and by compensation level. Here I'll do a search on Java and programmer. Click the search button, and it tells you how many jobs are returned. You can either click on the name of the job title, or you can click the View button to see more about the position. You can also click Save for Later. That will save the job to your dashboard so that you can view it later. And you can click Contact Employer. That will open an email to the employer or let you message the employer through Corporate Gray. If you view the job, it will show you the job description, which you can read through. And from this page, you can also apply for this position. That will take you to the company's website to apply to that job. And here again, you can click Contact Employer to either email the employer or message them within Corporate Gray. To register for a Corporate Gray job fair, click Job Fairs in the menu bar. This takes you to the chart of upcoming events, and you can see which events you're registered for. You can click the Register button, and this will allow you to upload your resume or cover letter. This is optional. You might already have it uploaded. Then you can click the Register button, and you're registered for the event. To see who's attending the event, click the Type in the chart, and it will show you what companies will be attending. You can click on the company to be taken to their profile page. You can also see how many jobs the company has posted on Corporate Gray Online. And if you click the LinkedIn button, it will take you to LinkedIn and show you who you're connected to on LinkedIn that works at that company. After you've registered for an event, when you go to your dashboard page, you'll see the registered job fairs, and you'll be able to print your form to bring it with you to the event. Corporate Gray Online has additional features to assist you with your military to civilian transition and job search. For example, the online transition guide here in the menu bar gives you advice and resources to help you navigate your job search. Explore these steps along with the additional resources you will find in the menu bar. If you need more assistance in using Corporate Gray Online, scroll down to the bottom of any Corporate Gray Online web page and click on the Help link at the bottom of the page. This will open the Corporate Gray Online Help page on our blog to give you more information about using the website. Thank you for using Corporate Gray Online, and thank you for your service to our country.